Dear students, today we will talk about Golgi apparatus. It is an organelle which was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Here you can see 2D diagram of Golgi apparatus and this is 3D diagram of Golgi apparatus. According to NCERT, Golgi apparatus structure can be defined as a system of membrane-bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisternae. So here you can see these structures that are approximately parallel to each other, and these structures are called cisternae. And these are membrane bound. These elongated tube-like structures are called cisternae. And when the ends of cisternae they get swollen, so you can see if it is swollen, then it will be pinched off in the form of vesicle. So this is the structure of Golgi apparatus. Now we will see functions performed by Golgi apparatus. Three important functions are performed by Golgi apparatus. First is, with the help of Golgi apparatus, material from endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, is packaged and dispatched to various targets. The material from ER can be transported within the cell and it can be transported outside the cell also. So, Golgi apparatus help in the transportation and modification of material that come from endoplasmic reticulum. Second function performed by endoplasmic reticulum is that it makes complex sugars from simple sugars. Let's take example. We have studied about cellulose in under the topic cell wall. Cellulose is a complex sugar and it is formed from glucose, which is a simple sugar. So this joining of glucose, or you can say joining of simple sugar to form a complex sugar, is done inside Golgi apparatus. So formation of complex sugar takes place inside Golgi apparatus. One of the examples of complex sugar is cellulose. It is formed from a simple sugar called glucose. Many units of glucose join together and they form cellulose. Third function performed by Golgi apparatus is that it is involved in formation of lysosome. You will come to know about lysosome more when we will discuss this organelle. Now let's see the position of ER and Golgi apparatus with respect to each other, how they are present in the cell. This is the structure. Some portion you are familiar with already. Here you can see that nucleus is shown. Outside the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum is present, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Just after endoplasmic reticulum, this structure is Golgi apparatus. So you can see that they are present very close to each other. First nucleus, then rough endoplasmic reticulum, and then Golgi apparatus. So here proteins are synthesized. These proteins, they come out of endoplasmic reticulum in vesicles. These vesicles, they join with Golgi apparatus, and here these proteins are transferred from one cisternae to another and then they come out of Golgi apparatus. So what happens to these proteins inside the Golgi apparatus? Some changes are done to these proteins so that they can perform their function in a better way. So it is very important for proteins to pass through Golgi apparatus if proper functioning is to be done. Now these proteins, they can stay here in the cell or they can go out of the cell as well. It depends on the type of protein. Here you can see the 2D diagram of this arrangement. Here this is nucleus and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Without the ribosome or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Whatever proteins are synthesized, they come in these vesicles. These vesicles, they join with this is Golgi apparatus. They join with Golgi apparatus. Inside the Golgi apparatus, some changes are done to these proteins, and then the mature protein, fully functional protein, comes out in vesicles. come out of Golgi apparatus in these vesicles. Now these vesicles, they can stay here in the cell or they can go out of the cell as well. So moving out of these proteins is called exocytosis, which is the opposite of endocytosis. So this is Golgi apparatus. We have studied the structure of Golgi apparatus. Here you can see this is structure. This is how you are going to explain the structure of Golgi apparatus. You can use your own language also. And these are three important functions performed by Golgi apparatus. And this is the position of nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus with respect to each other. Our next topic is lysosomes that we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.